Hi, this video is for ano lang, no, educational purpose and of course to give information sa ating mga kapwa Filipino regarding sa Republic of 9344. Now, let us remember, Republic of 9344 was enacted in 2006, and of course the principal author, if hindi ako nagkakamali, is the new elect Senator Kiko Pangilinan. And one of the things, no, na naging balakid sa kanya when he campaigned for re-election as a senator is ito yung Republic of 9344. Now, I would like to inform everyone that under RA 9344, there is an exemption of criminal liability if the child is 15 and below. And when we say exemption from criminal liability, it doesn't mean that the child will not undergo or hindi siya nag-undergo ng mga services provided under the local social welfare office and other agencies na kasama doon sa multidisciplinary team na magkakandak ng intervention sa bata. Now, ang criminal liability na exempted ang bata, it doesn't mean na hindi siya liable or yung parents niya regarding sa civil liability. May pananagutan pa rin. And ang siguro ang public is hindi nila matatanggap na if the child committed a crime, shall we say theft, no, simple theft. Of course, pag 15 and below, no criminal liability kasi exempted under RA 9344, pero the child will undergo intervention with the help of the barangay and the LGU. Now, what will happen if this particular child commit again simple theft? Kasi may intervention na siya, ang magiging step niyan is doon na papasok yung amendment ng RA 10630, the amendment of 9344, na pag off-tenor na ang bata, pwede na siyang ibasok sa bahay pag-asa, the facility where the child will undergo now an intensive rehabilitation. And pag hindi pumayag yung parents ng bata na i-voluntary commit, of course the local social welfare officer ng isang LGU will file a petition para i-involuntary commit, and kailangan yan i-file sa family court. So may mga proseso, ibig sabihin hindi pa rin nawala ang liability ng bata. The child will undergo certain processes under the judicial system. Now, ang siguro hindi matanggap ng karamihan, it's because hindi siya makukulong. Now, let us remember, a child is a child. And isa sa the spirit behind why Republic of 9344 was enacted, because children have no what we call this rational thinking when they committed a crime. And sa sitwasyon sa Pilipinas, all our children are not all siguro, but majority, 80 to 90% are victims of circumstances. That's why they committed the crime. Pwedeng dahil sa gutom, pwedeng napabayaan ng parents, and we know that it takes an entire community to raise a child. So what if naman the child is 15 above but below 18 when they committed a crime? Of course, they will undergo diversion. Nasa Republic of 9344 naman, and if they failed in their diversion program, the 45-day diversion program, saka mag-aano ang ating mga prosecutors. They will of course conduct preliminary investigation, and if found na yung evidence ay nakaabot sa degree of reasonable certainty of conviction, then they will formally charge the CICL and magpa-file sila ng information sa family court. Now, if mapatunayan na nagkasala ang bata along trial, of course the child will undergo disposition program. Meron pa ring mga rehabilitasyon na gagawin ang bata. And if the child failure sa kanyang diversion program, and when the child now turns into 18, so it's up to the discretion of the judge now na kung ang bata ay mag-suspend ng kanyang time sa penal colony. Now, the good thing, shall I say, kasi social worker rin ako, the good thing about 9344, if failure man ang bata sa kanyang rehabilitasyon during sa disposition program, applicable pa rin sa kanya yung probation. No? Pwede pa rin gamitin sa kanya yung probation. Kumbaga, the best interest of the child is imbued, no, doon sa ating 9344. Pero kung hindi talaga na-reform, then the last recourse doon is talagang ipasok na siya sa penal colony. So, meron pa rin liability ang isang CICL. It's wrong to blame, no, Republic of 9344 to the new elect Senator Kiko Pangilinan, whether you like him or not, pero it's wrong to blame him. Kasi again, the 9344 is a product of legislative branch and supported by the executive branch. So, that's why the government now, no, the DILG, yung ating CWC, mas pinapalakas pa together with the JJWC yung ating implementasyon regarding RA 9344 as amended by the Republic Act 10630. And of course, maraming mga bata that they committed the crime, but along the way, because they have been reformed, rehabilitated, ngayon na sila, they are a good members of the community. In fact, marami sa kanila, no, marami sa kanila nakapagtapos and they are now employed. They have better life. And because of Republic Act 9344. Now, here's the catch. If we provided benefits, no, sa ating mga adult offenders, that they would undergo community service as a form of punishment kasi may bagong batas ngayon and they can apply for probation, why not to give the child a chance na hindi naman nila ginusto that they committed a crime. Now, yung sa mga serious crimes naman na 15 and below, although they don't have criminal liability kasi exempted pa rin sila when they commit murder, no, robbery with rape, rape or rape with homicide, at hindi sila they will not spend their reformation and rehabilitation sa community. They will be admitted to the Bahay Pag-asa, where of course yung kanilang stay doon at least 1 year. So if the parents of the child who is 15 and below, hindi sila magbigay ng kanilang consent to voluntarily commit the child, may paraan pa, no? The local social welfare office will file a petition for involuntary commitment sa family court. So pag na-approve na ng judge yung kanyang petition, no, ng LSWDO, automatic that child is ipapasok sa Bahay Pag-asa and the child will undergo intensive rehabilitation and intervention. Now, if you would ask me, what will happen? Ano bang mangyayari sa buhay ng batang si ICL? Of course, they will know, dadalhin nila yan sa kanilang buong buhay na they had committed a crime. And kung shall we say nakapatay man sila, they will not recover from that because there will be trauma. Kaya nga they would undergo therapy, counseling, no? So whether we like it or not, the law is the law. And sa 2006, we know na ang mga batang minor de edad ay mini-mix ng mga adult offenders. And we know naman pag sa jail, pag may mga bata, usually they became, no, victims of rape by sexual assault. Mahirap. So again, it's wrong to blame the RA 9344 to the new elect Senator Kiko Pangilinan, whether you like him or not, whether you supported him or not. Mali po yun kasi it's a product of the legislative branch. The Senate and the House of Representatives and of course the executive branch supported that. And kaya nga pinapalakas ngayon, no, ng CWC together with the JJWC together with the CWC, and may mga may mga criteria na ipinasok sa SGLG para mabigyang diin, no, ang implementasyon ng Republic Act 9344 as amended. So, and kung may mga amendments naman na mangyayari sa 9344, na it's up to the Congress again. Kasi from exemption of criminal liability from 12 and below, naging 15 and below yan because of the 9344. Na if gusto nyong bumalik sa 12 and below, na bahala po kayo. Bahala po ang Congress. It's up to them now kung they will do that.